Mother, when the clock ringing, the mother will wake up in the morning. Ding ding. Oh my God! It sounds scattered all over the house. Mother will. Mother will stop raining cloth. The children walk up like this.
Communal dialogue.
Mommy! What happened, children? Why are you shouting like this? You request scatter all over the house. Okay, the show the and back. Okay, mommy. Children are doing brushing and discussing like this.
Conveniently, here it's not recorded.
Children are doing brushing and discussing like this. Time is 7 o'clock. Our van coming to our village. Only 7 o'clock only. 30 minutes are left. Children are fastly doing their work. Children are fastly doing their work. One child throwing the powder bottle at the garden house. Another child throwing the sticker packet at the house. Children are going to school. Yes, I When the children are all the things scatter all over the house. When the children are at home, all the things scatter all over the house. Comment. Children are scatter chalk pieces. Children are scatter chalk pieces all over the classroom. When the teacher sends them into the class, children sit silently and saying like this. Morning is good. Good morning, Seda. Children are murmuring that the teacher didn't have brain because the student said morning is good, not good morning, miss.
Take your homework books one by one and don't scatter your voice in the class. What's your name?
My name is Anarji. She has allergy.
Allergy that means you have to consult your doctor, otherwise it will scatter all over the school.
Second call is coming now.
What's your name?
My name is Gold. She has cold.
Cold is very dangerous disease. You have to consult a doctor, otherwise it will scatter in the class of all of us.
Third call is coming now.
What are you doing, Bunny? What are you doing? Stand up. Give him. Stand up, girl. What's your name?
My name is. My name is Shaolin Lavasis.
Don't laugh here. Go and sit.
Fourth call is coming now.
What's your name?
My name is Puff. She has cough.
Puff means this one. Go and sit.
Now teacher is going to teach the lesson.
Today I am going to explain about the great scientist. Today I am going to explain about the great scientist Einstein.
ಏಕೆ ಬಾರಿ ಗೋಕುಲ್ ಸರ್ ದತ್ತತ್ವ ತತ್ವ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಕುಲ್
Why are you talking? What are you talking? You are. Sit down. Your disease is scatter all of us. You standing means that one only that. Do here.
Squeeze, going on squeeze, dangerous to hide.
Don't scatter your speakers in the class, Vidam. Why are you standing? What happened? Why are you laughing like this? What happened, girl? Why are you laughing like this?
Love.
What happened, girl? Go and sit down. Why are you laughing like this?
Love. Going on laughing. It's good to have.
Go and sit down. I know that well. A bell also ringing now.
The
You are
teacher of the class
disinfected me
by
also.
saying
When the children are at home.
Mommy.
what my sweet daughters?
I'm very hungry.
Okay, sis, I will do snacks for you.
Mummy is going to bring snacks for children.
Don't scatter your raw materials over the house.
My dear children, don't scatter your materials.
Okay, mom. We will scatter all the materials in the house.
Don't scatter your materials in the house and don't disturb others. This is the story of Old Scatter.